Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about USD JPY pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 23rd to 27th February 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in USD JPY on Friday. So as you can see in USD JPY, 0.05% positive move, 155.054 was the closing Friday. So now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open a weekly chart over here. So here, this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, we can see a good bullish candle with a medium to large body with a small lower wick and a medium upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is around 2217 level, which is at oversold levels. So here stochastic RSI is indicating as a positive momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So let's open a one-day chart over here. So this is a one-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. Also, if you want to learn trading from me, then you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. Even you can use the link given in the description to directly buy the course, or you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. Remember, I only share or only teach the session during live. That is, I do a live session on Saturday, Sunday, so you can easily apply, because I do a one-on-one session. There are no pre-recorded videos, so you can learn better from the live sessions as well. So now let's talk about my closing. 155.054 is the closing here. The direct support is 154.843. Direct resistance is 155.161. After direct support, there is a support of 154.422 and then 154.126. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 155.438 and then 155.700. These are two important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take stop loss and target levels for this week. Overall, these are some supports and resistance zone. But before I talk about what is my opinion for this week, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I already shared Profirm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. If you don't know what is funded account or Profirm, I've already made a dedicated video on what is Profirm, how it works, and what are the rules you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking it out as well. So let's now talk about my opinion in USD JPY pair for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I am expecting a slight negative closing in this range, that is 154.422 to 154.843. I'm expecting a negative closing in this range. But if this level, that is 155.161, gets breached and a 4-hour or a one-day candle gets closed above this, then I will go for a long till this level, even the high of this previous week, which could be a good target for the next week. But this will be a positional or a swing trade as well. So if you're going for any positional or swing trade, then you can go for a long once these levels get breached. Even there is a big gap up, then you can follow the trend and you can directly go for a buy level as well once 4-hour or one-day candle gets closed above this. Overall, my expectations are a bit negative for this week. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.